Hi, I'm Mike Iasagna, and I am one of the principal owners of Tier 1 Machining and Assembly in Newtown, Connecticut. At Tier 1, we specialize in producing highly engineered, function-critical parts and assemblies for the medical and aerospace industries. To produce these products, we rely on highly skilled craftspeople who know how to set up and run a computer-controlled machine, how to read a blueprint, and how to measure the parts they make. The Advanced Manufacturing Technology program at Naugatuck Valley Community College has been a key source to build a pipeline of these workers, and they've been an industry partner in helping to prepare men and women for a career in manufacturing. A career in manufacturing at Tier 1 starts with the right plan. Career opportunities in manufacturing are growing. Local manufacturers like us are hiring with attractive starting salaries, benefits, and opportunities for advancement. A typical workday includes operating high-tech CNC machining equipment and inspecting parts to ensure quality for our customers. Job growth in manufacturing is strong. Get the information you need to find out if this is the right career for you. Call your NVCC Manufacturing Advisor today at 203-575-8014. That's 203-575-8014.